we assume that we are all good, and this is the, we are all happy with the results. Then how to export this movie out? It's simple, just File, Export, and then Add to Render Queue. It will be added to render queue, but you have to just set up some stuff. First of all, where it is going to be to be exported. Just point to the place, and here I say that this is the dancer export version 01. And one important thing is, because it is exporting as lossless, and it means it is not going to be compressed, and that's a huge file. You don't use it most often. So just click on this lossless name. A new window appears. Just change the format option to H264. Exactly, you know that. H264, and OK. Enter. And then it says a custom QuickTime. And then you press render. What's that? Failure. Oh, that's because I just... Okay, it's exporting the movie.
So we go into File, export it to. Which one do we export it to?
Which one? You have to select your composition first.
Oh, right. Yes.
Okay, and then export. File, export. The second one. Add to render.
All right, and then it goes to our file.
Yeah, and this window will appear, and then you point out the address, and then the H264 here.
This will all be online, right?
No, it will be saved on your own drive. So what happens after the export finishes? When you look at your drive, your own drive, you see that this movie, Dancer Export 01, has been created. It's a movie now.
Okay, how do you... Wait, could you do that again, please?
Pardon me?
Could you do that again, please?
Yes. So again, you just need to select your composition, File, Export, Add to Render Queue, and then you just have to choose a name and a place to save. So I want to save it on desktop with a name Test. And then just click on this lossless and change the format option to H264. There's a million of different formats. Don't think about them. Just H264, OK, and then enter, and then press render. Done. It will be created. OK, so